Yo, what's up, Joseph? It is Breeze from Breezy Saber Works. I just finished your repair on your Xeno that you sent in. The switch was toast, so replace that for you. Also added a battery wrap to your battery because this battery tends to pop out on its own. Negative side to the speaker always. Definitely helps to if you hold it in while you're putting your grip back on so it stays in place. Let's go ahead and fire her up.
Power on. Rainbow blade.
All right, man, you're all set. I'm gonna ship this thing out to you in a couple days. Thanks.